We're all packed up here in the Walmart parking lot, ready to go on our backcountry trip. Trailer's staying in a family friend's driveway. He's letting us keep it there. And then we'll take the pilot with our 4 bags into the country and do some hiking for 3 days. Try and catch some fish, do some stuff like that.
The packs are heavy, and when I take mine off and I walk, my head just keeps falling forward because I'm so used to having to like fight the weight of this backpack. And these are not packed to hike, these are packed to fish. If the bears don't get us tonight, we'll be fishing bright and early tomorrow morning.
We hiked 6 miles in like 2.5 hours, 3 hours.
Yeah.
And we found this gem of a campsite. Nobody's here. We didn't see a single person the entire hike. So I'm sure there's not anyone within miles of us.
When we awoke that morning, we were ready to fish. We finished some camp preparations and then hit the water, which proved to be more challenging than we had originally thought. We got high water conditions, we got wind, and it's partly cloudy, so at least we have a few clouds going our way, but very hard conditions to fish. Despite our best efforts, we ended the morning with just 1 fish.
We're here at camp. We had a nice little tortilla, sausage, cheese lunch, and we're meeting with the other boys. They conveniently got back at a pretty similar time, and you know, we kind of gave each other the downloads, and essentially we're switching from big, loud streamers and dry flies and nymphs to more of a small, like mayfly nymph.
After making some adjustments, we were ready to start fishing. And boy did we fish.
Get a wild fish chase! Don't please! We're on the board, baby!
Finally, we're on the board, boys! Look at that tanker. Absolute high.
Nice one, QB.
Yeah! Look at that thing. That's a really nice cutthroat right there. Another one on the board.
Well, folks, doesn't get much better than that. Dry fly fishing in Montana. Beautiful night, beautiful weather. All I gotta do is hike 200 yards and I'm at my campsite. I mean, how much better can it get?
Our spirits were high after yesterday's success. Although we hadn't packed enough food, we decided we were going to stay 2 more full days. In order to do so, we had to ration our food and eat all the fish we could.
Just banking on catching fish to stay comfortable, if you know what I mean.
The hardest part was that due to river regulations, we were only allowed to harvest select breeds of trout. Most of what we caught had to be released. After a nice morning, it was time to catch dinner. Please be a rainbow. Please be dinner. We got ourselves a rainbow. Fish. Fish, baby. Come on, come on, come on. That is dinner tonight. Let's go.
Right here, we got ourselves a nice little cut bow. Beautiful, beautiful fish. And even better because I'm hungry. And the only thing I've ate today has been oatmeal. And then we had a little rainbow trout.
As intriguing as the challenge was, not eating all day had taken its toll on us.
I haven't ate anything all day, neither has Otto, except for that oatmeal.
God, it's just a Cliff Bar. What I would do for a Cliff Bar right now.
Although we cooked and ate 3 fish, it wasn't nearly enough for our full day's effort. Sure with the views. Now we don't have to ration our food anymore because we suck at fishing, so let's go back and eat all the crap we got. We realized we were not meant to fish hungry.
Yes! Go home!
The next morning, we packed our bags and hiked out. We left that river valley knowing no stone was left unturned. We were humbled by the beauty of the mountains and excited to see what else Montana had to offer. Their license plate. It's kind of funny.